Sign up for Apple TV. Hey everyone, how's it going? Leonardo Paiva back with another video. In this updated video, I'll show you step by step how to create your Apple TV subscription and get 7 free days when you sign up. So let's get started, folks. First step is to go to the Google search bar and type Apple TV. Type Apple TV, hit enter and click on the first site that appears, tv.apple.com. You can get the 7-day free trial by clicking here. After the 7-day free trial, it costs $29.90 per month. If you don't see the free trial option, you can type it in the top and sign in. Enter your email here to create your account, then click Continue. Since mine is showing up, I'll click here on Accept the free trial. I'll click here to accept the 7-day free trial and enter my email to create my account. Then I'll click below to continue. Now folks, I'm going to create my account. Here folks, you'll enter your password. It needs 8 characters, upper and lowercase letters, and at least 1 number. You'll enter your first name, last name, and date of birth. You need to agree to the terms and conditions, folks. If you have any questions, click here below. If you agree, check this box and click to continue. Now, folks, you'll receive a confirmation email. Don't forget to confirm it. Then open your email, click on Verify Email Address from Apple, and enter your code. This is my code, folks. You'll enter your own code. Put it in this field. It's verifying now. After confirmation, you'll be able to log in, folks. Click here on Continue, then click Accept Free Trial and enter your payment method, folks, which can only be a credit card. Then enter your information here and click below to confirm this initial 7-day free trial. After that, you'll pay $29.90 per month, which will be charged to your card. If you want to cancel, folks, don't forget to do it before the trial ends to avoid being charged. Got it? Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorial videos. That's all for now. Big hug and God bless. Thanks.